you, is the Congress concerned? Are you concerned about the mixed signals Sharad Pawar is sending?
Always he gives the mixed signal. So it may not be desirable, but it is inevitable.
He's always been like that.
I think I have seen him doing it several times.
But that must mean that you believe that Sharad Pawar can join hands with anybody.
No, up to now I have no reason to believe it. Because he has stated, he believes firmly. This much I appreciate his position. He believes firmly that left support is necessary.
Yes.
And he believes that he can manage it. But this is his conviction. I cannot share that conviction with him.
Do you believe Sharad Pawar will stay with the Congress?
Believes that both Congress and left can be brought together. But I do not believe at this juncture that it is possible. What would happen in future, none of us is in is political astrology.
Yes.
We cannot do that.